Hey everybody, so this is really a video that I wanted to do as a follow-up to everybody that came to the workshop that I did on Saturday for small business marketing using video. It was fantastic and I really appreciated the chance to talk with you all and spend those hours with you to dive in, because I learned as well, hearing the feedback from you and the problems you run into and your thoughts about how to get going. Because all small businesses are running into this right now. It's huge. You know, you got to be doing video online, sharing it to get more customers, share your story, share how to use your products and services. So awesome that you are all there. And this, I just want to go over maybe bullet points, let's say, with the details of what goes into doing it. As a reference for you. And if you weren't there at the Saturday workshop, well, it's a reference for all of you out there as well. So first off, you have your idea, what it is you want to say, and then you got to go, okay, what are the types of videos that you want to do, whether it's an introductory video about your company, what you're doing, your mission statement, what you want to do, why you want to do it to help people do this or that kind of video. There's the how-to videos, and then there's the training videos, how to use your product. So these are the types of videos, and then you're going to break that down and you're going to go into, it could be 50 titles or more. As the title, actually name the titles of all the videos so that you really direct yourself on what the next video is going to be, because it sort of lends yourself to every week you're going to, let's say, try to do 4 videos a week, and you're going to sit down and record them. Well, if you don't have that list, then you're like, what am I going to do about it this week? What's the video going to be? And think about it again and regurgitate the thoughts and forget that. Just have your list and go, good. This week it's this one. This week it's this one. Or, just have your list. So make the 50 actual titles of the videos. Good. So then you go outline. Each one you go, good. So I'm going to do 4 videos this week. Good. I'm going to do outlines of those 4. So title, and here's the 4 points I'm going to cover in those 4 videos, each one. Okay. So then you can go shoot the video. Then it's a matter of, good, you got to pull it off. If it's perfectly clean, not much editing, but how are you going to edit it? Then you're going to post it on YouTube. And then you're going to share it out, get it on social media, share it on your email, get friends or associates that might have different ways that you can get your video out to other people that might be interested in it, because just your already existing list is great and you're going to get some views, but you want to get out further. So socialize it. You can even pay for some Facebook ads and things. It doesn't have to cost a lot, but also find other side attached friends or associates that their audience can be helped by your video, and see if they want to stick it in their newsletter or an email from them saying, hey, because maybe it might get them more clients as well if they know that, how you're using that or how you deal with it. So think about it. So that's sort of a quick overview of the things we went over. And I just want to say now, there was a great point or question from Pam. Pam, you had a good question there. You said, so how do I know what I'm going to say to those for my videos? It's a huge question. You sit there and go like, what am I going to say? How am I going to do a video? So Pam, you asked me that, and what do my audience want to hear about? And that was real estate, and it was like, what do people want me to do videos about? And my answer was to get over the worry about that, because you're the expert. You've spent, in her case, 30 years in real estate. She knows the questions people talk about, the clients when she's deal with them. They ask her questions, and if she just goes, good, I'm just going to talk about my knowledge, because the truth is, you do video after video, people are going to want that information. You're going to share really valuable points, because not everybody, almost nobody knows everything you know. So sort of, that was my point. Get over the worry and just start doing videos and sharing your knowledge. And if you do that, you're going to get a hang of it, and it's going to start to roll. Okay, so thanks a lot for listening. Thanks a lot for being with me that day on Saturday if you were there. And of course, please share this out with others if you think they might gain something from how to start getting video done on YouTube, on social media, on Facebook, and just doing it and putting it on your website. If you think that's valuable, share it out, share it with your friends. And of course, subscribe. Please subscribe. I'm going to be doing videos as much as I can to share public relations and marketing tools and tips to help you, the small business owners and medium-sized business owners. Let's do it. Let's kill it.